guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we are off to Barnet. We are going to repair a Bmw X3 front bumper corner. This is for one of my regular customers. It's about the 5th motor I've done for them now. Just fighting the traffic on the motorway right now, and I'll see you when we get over there and show you the damage and what we've got to fix. See you in a bit. There we go guys. Little scratch in there. I don't know whether you're seeing that. Got to do that today. I've done the rear quarter yesterday. That was all smashed in, and the bumper corner. But we just got to do that today. Give that a little polish. Let's get cracking. Right, that's all prepped under there now. We're ready for a bit of primer. Just going to put some plastic primer on. And then flash up for a second. Right, that's that done. Get some UV on, and then we'll start prepping primer, and we're ready to paint. See you in a moment. Get some clear on this thing. you can't really see under here, it's quite dark. Let me get it baked off and I'll show you. Here we go guys, before the rain starts again. There we have it guys, all wrapped up now, absolutely pouring down out here. That is it, officially jobbed. I forgot to show the rear quarter that I've done. I chucked some pictures up now of the damage, but I just drove off, I forgot all about it. Oh, what a nightmare. Yeah, I just didn't record that. Sometimes I just don't feel like getting a camera out, and yeah, YouTube's hard. If you've never had a go, it ain't easy, and it makes my day a lot harder as well, trying to film everything. Sometimes you just don't want to, but it is what it is. Oh, saying about YouTube, found a new guy that I watch. I think his name's Jason. He's called The Humble Paint Sprayer, I believe. I'll leave a link in the description to his channel. Go over there and show him some love. He's a car painter, he's got his own little body shop, and he's pucker. And I just really like his content. Very normal person sort of thing. Well worth a look. If you like the sort of crap that I do, you're going to like what he does as well. So I think he does watch the channel and all now. I don't think he'd ever heard of me, but I commented on one of his videos. He must have sort of looked me up and see that I had a channel. But yeah, really nice guy, and his channel's his pucker. He's only just started, and he hasn't got many subscribers. So get your asses over there, give him a follow, and yeah, tell him I sent you, I suppose. That is it. I am going home to get out of these wet clothes. Well, I'm saying this now, I've got to go on the M25, loads of traffic, but there we go. As always, a massive thanks for watching, and we'll see you very soon on the next one. Stay safe and be lucky.